Hi guys, it's Nick from Embrosa, and today I want to show you how to create a dynamic field, but then an image or a video. I'm right now in this campaign, and under personalize I can click on dynamic fields. Here we have the dynamic fields that are already created. We created the type text and a link type. If we click on add dynamic field, we're now going to create an image. So for this example, I want a shop photo. When I use it in the onboarder, the reseller can edit the field in the onboarder, so they can provide the photo, in this case, in the onboarder. Then the question will be, can you provide a photo of your shop? At the field type, I will select image. If you want to create a video, you can select video. I can select if it's required or not. And the fallback value. If it's not required and they don't fill it in, then you always have the fallback value. And in that case, this picture will be shown. When I click on create, we have the shop photo dynamic field with the type image. How to use this dynamic field, I will explain in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.